Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be working on the 32 GTR again. So yeah, let's go and enjoy. So today we will be working on the lower side of the intercooler piping. Like I told you in the last video, I already installed the O-rings and these boxes on here. Um, like I said, don't wonder why these are just half of the boxes. They are not the final material, so that's why the owner decided to just print half of it for me to work on this side. But yeah, the upper side is already completely done, so yeah, I will now show you some welding work. So as you guys can see, everything is now picked up and we can test fit it on the car. So as you can see, we got our pipe here, and this is the quick connector. And as you can see here, it's basically too small. I would like to weld it on the outside, that it sits flush like this, and I will show you how I will get the diameter of this pipe to fit on the outside of this pipe. And now, as you can see, I've widened this pipe here with the tool you can see here, and now it fits perfectly and sits straight onto the intercooler piping, and it has a flush way of like airflow, so there's no sharp edges or anything to reduce the flow. Alright, so now the lower side of the intercooler piping is done. Here you can see the Ypipe that the owner also made. It also has the connectors for the quick release clamps and everything. It's also very nicely designed on the inside, so you can see it has great flow and everything. And now we will be, instead of using two 60mm pipes, we will be using one 3-inch pipe, and we will be routing the intercooler piping up here through there and then into the Nismo intake. Alright, so now the first 90-degree cut is tacked up, and we can fit it onto the car and see how it looks. Okay, so now comes the scary part. I'm actually cutting up this Nismo intake manifold, and yes, it's an authentic Nismo one. I've already marked where I need to cut it to get it straight. But if I wouldn't cut it and just weld it on here, I would get pretty big problems. Oh, a second. Pretty big problems with getting the piping to fit. So yeah, unfortunately, need to cut it up and weld on a quick connector. But yeah. So as you guys can see, the Nismo intake is now cut apart, and this thing fits pretty nicely now. And now I just need to weld it on. As you can see, Nismo manifold has its flange welded on. It looks pretty cool, I think. And now I just need to figure out a way to get the intercooler piping done here, up here. But yeah, let's see how we will tackle this job. So as you can see now, I basically put everything here into position. It's quite a tight fit, but otherwise it wouldn't have been possible. So yeah, I just need to weld these pipes together, and then the upper two pipes together, and then the whole intercooler piping is basically done. Okay, the intercooler piping is now done. As you can see, everything clears nicely. Just need to modify this section down here a bit, but it wouldn't have been possible any other way. From the top, you can see the 2-in-1 Y collector, as well as these here that I showed you already in the last video. And this is how it looks down there. I think it's pretty nice. The only thing that I still need to do is to make a bracket for these two pipes so they don't wobble around or anything. But we have plenty of movement, and yeah, I think the overall end result looks pretty great. So yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. In the next video, we will be working on the oil cooler setup for the car. We will mount it somewhere here. I will show you how I will make the brackets and everything. And maybe we will also start on the exhaust of this car. I need to fit another catalytic converter with some V-band clamps. But yeah, we will see. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you in the next one.